Today, we're diving into a topic that's both unique and incredibly fascinating: Wasabi farming. Number 1. The mystery of Wasabi. Alright, let's start with the basics. Wasabi, known as the green gold, is more than just a spicy condiment. It's a plant that demands precision, care, and a deep understanding of its growth process. Number 2. The ideal growing conditions. Creating the perfect environment for Wasabi is a delicate dance. They thrive in cool, shaded areas with ample water supply. It prefers temperatures between 45 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit and high humidity. The pristine water quality is a crucial factor, as it directly affects the flavor and quality of the final product. Number 3. Propagation and patience. Wasabi is typically grown from rhizome cuttings. These cuttings are planted in a mix of gravel and soil, simulating its natural streambed habitat. And here is the kicker: Wasabi takes patience. It can take up to 2 years to reach maturity. But trust me, the rewards are worth it. Number 4. The art of care. Caring for Wasabi requires a keen eye and a gentle touch. The plants need consistent moisture and shade, and regular pruning to ensure optimal growth. It's a labor of love, my friends. Number 5. The harvest. The moment of truth: harvesting. Wasabi takes about 18 to 24 months to reach maturity. When the leaves are vibrant and the rhizomes plump, it's time to carefully unearth the precious Wasabi. And the aroma? Number 6. Culinary delights. From farm to table, the journey continues. Freshly harvested Wasabi is an explosion of flavor, delivering that signature heat with a hint of sweetness. It's a culinary experience like no other. Number 7. Wasabi beyond sushi. But wait, there is more. Wasabi isn't just for sushi, it's a versatile ingredient. From sauces and dressings to snacks and beverages, its unique taste adds a bold twist to any dish. Number 8. The future of Wasabi farming. To get a glimpse into the future, I'm chatting with a seasoned Wasabi farmer. They're pushing the boundaries of innovation, exploring sustainable practices, and preserving this ancient tradition for generations to come. So, there you have it, the captivating world of Wasabi farming. It's a blend of science, art, and dedication that results in a culinary gem we all love. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about intriguing topics, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. Until next time. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.